guys, today I'm gonna vlog my Pokemon Jollibee toys. First, this one. Let's open it. Open. First, a bag. And open it. Oh wow! Blue Pokemon ball. And wow! It's 90.
Oh, si 90! Meron ka ng 90!
Wow! Si Ninetale! I never got this before.
Sabi mo yung dati mong ano?
This is what I got
Last time.
last time. It's Voltix. And I got Ninetale now. Oh, kasama ko na.
Sabi mo kay Papa eh? Yun, alak ka mo. Wow! Lagay mo sa harapan, sa front. Nice.
And let's open the other one. And open it. Oh, ganito yun. And another Pokemon bag. And let's open it. It's another blue one. And oh wow!
Golda.
The Golduck! My first Pokemon in the whole year.
Open mo na ito. Open ka. Tapakain natin. Uy, kain niya na mag-open. Wow. Okay, lagay mo na. Yay. Sabi mo siya doon kami na snort na. Ay, kailangan ng goldfish.
Stand up siya.
The last one is
The last one is I don't know who it is. Let's open it.
Red ball ang nakuha mo ito diyata. Sana red ball naman yan.
Great ball, great ball.
Parang nakakalat ang pinakalas mo lips.
Sana blue ball, sana blue ball. Sana Pikachu. The last one is I don't know who it is. And I open it. Oh, another great ball!
Wow! Who's gonna be it? Who's that?
Where's Nora?
Guys! Yay!
Alam ko na, it is Nora's kanina.
Ako nga, is Marla, pero dahil ko na yun. That is rare, mahal.
This is red.
Yeah.
tapos yung Lucario, acquired yung Lucario.
Wala pa tayo nakalila. Ano mo, ipakita mo na lahat. Anong ilang cut mo sila. Ito yung mga board.
Here's how where I got ball pits,
Golda.
Goldax, and Snorlax.
And ito ang nakuha mo. Sino to?
Ball pits.
Ito? Si Ninetale? Ito di ba si Volpix?
Ninetale and Snorlax. Oh,
Yun.
and Snorlax and
Golda.
Golduck, and Ninetales.
Yay. Okay. That's all. Sabi mo.
That's all. Snorlax is sleeping, guys.
Oh. Mag-isay.
Bye-bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Like pa.
Like the video. Please subscribe for more Mayon's videos in my channel. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Don.